Hello class, welcome back. So today we are going to start chapter number 22, that is introduction to coordinate geometry. Means इस chapter में हम coordinates की geometry के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Firstly, what is a number line? You all know about a number line. In middle here is 0. A number on the right hand side of 0 is positive and so on. And number on the left hand side of origin are negative and so on. And you have studied earlier how to locate a point on a number line. Clear? Now first देखिए what is Cartesian plane. Now what is a Cartesian plane? When two number lines are placed in such a way that both the number lines are perpendicular to each other. Now see, when two number lines are placed in such a way that both the number lines are perpendicular to each other, this is called as Cartesian plane. The horizontal line is known as x-axis and vertical line is known as y-axis. And where the both axes meet, that point is origin. Clear? And number on the right hand side of origin on the x-axis are positive. And number on the left hand side of origin are negative. Clear? Similarly, number in the upward direction of y-axis are positive. And number in the downward direction of y-axis are negative. That is -1, -2, -3 and -4. Clear? Now number along the right hand side of origin are positive, so it is known as positive x-axis, and number on the left hand side of origin are negative, so it is called as negative x-axis. Clear? Similarly, number in the upward direction of y-axis are positive, so it is called positive y-axis, and number in the downward direction of y-axis are negative, so it is called negative y-axis. Clear? Now, if you want to plot a point in this plane, you need two information. First is his x coordinate and second is y coordinate. Suppose this is the point P. You need two information. First is x coordinate and second is y coordinate. क्लियर? x कोऑर्डिनेट को आप अब सीसा भी बोलते हो एंड y कोऑर्डिनेट को आप ऑर्डिनेट भी बोलते हो. ऑर्डिनेट. You need two information, that is his x coordinate and y coordinate. Now what are x coordinate and y coordinate? Now see, suppose this is the point P. Clear? Now you always write x coordinate first and y coordinate second. Clear? Now if you describe position of this point in Cartesian plane, how you describe? Now from this point draw two perpendicular, one on x-axis and one on y-axis. Clear? And one on y-axis. Clear? Now distance of this point P along the x-axis, ये देखिए distance of this point P along the x-axis, that is 4 unit, so that is x coordinate. Clear? And distance of this point P along the y-axis, that is again 4 unit, so his y coordinate is also 4. Clear? So coordinate of a point is 4 4. Clear? Or x coordinate and y coordinate together known as ordered pair. ordered pair. Clear? Now see, 2 4 is not equal to 4 2. Why? Because here x coordinate is 2 and here x coordinate is 4. Clear? Order matters. इसमें किसी को डाउट हो? Now x coordinate is the distance of point along the x axis from the origin and y coordinate is distance of that point along the y axis from the origin. Clear? Now see, these two number lines, that is x axis and second is y axis. These two number lines divide the plane into 4 parts. These parts are known as quadrants. Clear? Now this is first quadrant. This is first quadrant. This is second quadrant. This is third quadrant. And this is fourth quadrant. Clear? Now, how you remember in anti-clockwise direction? Clear? Where x-axis is positive and y-axis also positive. ये देखिए, here x is positive and y also positive. Where x is positive and y also positive, that is first quadrant. Clear? Second quadrant में देखिए, here x is negative. Here x is negative. No, x is negative and y is positive. That is second quadrant. Clear? Third quadrant में देखिए, here y is also negative, that is downward direction, -1, -2, -3. थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में क्या होगा, आपका x कोऑर्डिनेट भी नेगेटिव होगा और y कोऑर्डिनेट भी नेगेटिव होगा. क्लियर? ऑलवेज राइट x कोऑर्डिनेट फर्स्ट. क्लियर? फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में देखिए, here x is positive but y is negative. Always write x coordinate first. X positive and y negative. Clear? Now see Cartesian plane. This is a Cartesian plane. Clear? Now this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. Any point of the form, that is his x coordinate is plus and y coordinate also positive. Any point of the form, that is x be positive and y coordinate be positive, lies in first quadrant. And any point in the form whose x coordinate is negative but y coordinate is positive, always lie in second quadrant. Clear? Any point in the form whose x coordinate is negative and y coordinate also negative lies in third quadrant. And any point of the form whose x coordinate is positive but y coordinate negative lies in fourth quadrant. Clear? अगर मैं एग्जांपल लेता हूं, that is -3 and -3. Here x coordinate is -3. Now where is x -3? ये देखिए, origin से आपको 3 यूनिट इन द नेगेटिव x एक्सिस, that is this x -3. अब जब x आपका -3 था, y भी आपका क्या -3. ये देखिए y -3, that is downward direction of y axis. You have to move -3 units. This. Now where is the point -3, -3? Draw perpendicular lines. Where this line meets, that is the point -3, -3. क्लियर? बहुत इजी है. अगर मेरे पास पॉइंट हो 2 and 4, here x coordinate is 2. Now x is 2 here in the move 2 unit in the positive direction of x axis. Now x is equal to 2 is a line this. Clear? When x is 2, y आपका क्या 4 means you have to move 4 units in the positive y axis. Now y is equal to 4 is this line. Where these lines meet, that is the point 2, 4. Clear? Easy है. Now third example देखिए 4 and -2. Here x coordinate is 4 and y coordinate is -2. X is 4 means you have to move 4 unit on the x axis. This here is x is equal to 4 and y is -2 means you have to move in the negative direction of y axis, means you have to move downward 2 units, that is -2 this. Now draw perpendicular lines. Where these lines meet, that is the point 4 -2. Clear? Now see question number first of exercise 22nd A. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट आपके पास क्या है? राइट द अब्सिसा ऑफ ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पॉइंट. फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज 0, 5. एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट को आप क्या बोलते हो? अब्सिसा. सो अब्सिसा ऑफ 0, 5 इज 0. एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट को आप क्या बोलते हो? अब्सिसा. एंड वाई कोऑर्डिनेट को आप क्या बोलते हो? ऑर्डिनेट. क्लियर? सेकंड पार्ट देखिए. सेकंड पार्ट में क्या था आपके पास? राइट द abscissa of each of the following, that is 3 or 7. Always write x coordinate first. और x coordinate को आप क्या बोलते हो? abscissa. So abscissa of 3, 7 is 3. Clear? थर्ड पार्ट देखिए. इसमें थर्ड पार्ट इज -2, 4. Here x coordinate is -2. So abscissa of -2, 4 is -2. Clear? इसके बाद देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड इज राइट द ऑर्डिनेट ऑफ ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. फर्स्ट इज 4, 0. ऑर्डिनेट आप किसको बोलते हो? y coordinate. Here y coordinate is 0. So ordinate of 4, 0 is 0. क्लियर? सेकंड पार्ट देखिए. सेकंड पार्ट में क्या आपके पास 5 and 2. Here y coordinate is 2 और y coordinate को आप क्या बोलते हो? ऑर्डिनेट. So ordinate of 5, 2 is 2. क्लियर? रेस्ट पार्ट्स आप होमवर्क के लिए ट्राई करना. नाउ सी क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड. क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड इज प्लॉट द पॉइंट्स ऑन ग्राफ. ये देखिए, दिस इज द ग्राफ पेपर. क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड. फर्स्ट पॉइंट आपको क्या प्लॉट करना है इसमें? 4, 3, that is A. Now here x coordinate is 4 means you have to move 4 units on the positive direction of x axis. No. Clear? And y coordinate is 3. You have to move 3 unit in the positive y axis. Clear? Now where these lines meet, that is the point A, whose coordinate are 4, 3. That is the A point. Clear? Now second point आपके पास क्या है? -2, 5. B point is -2 and 5. Here x coordinate is -2 means you have to move 2 units in the negative x axis. ये देखिए, 2 units, that is -2 here. When x is -2, y is 5. You have to move 5 units in the positive direction of y axis. Clear? This. Now, where these lines meet, that is the point B, whose x coordinate is -2 and y coordinate 5. Always write x coordinate first. क्लियर? बहुत इजी है. थर्ड देखिए, थर्ड में क्या आपके पास C 0 4. Here x coordinate is 0, means point lie on y axis. X 0 y 4 means this is the point, that is C point 0 4, because x coordinate is 0, whose x coordinate is 0, point lie on y axis, and whose y coordinate is 0, then point lie on x axis. Clear? Fourth part देखिए, that is D70. Now here y coordinate is 0, means point lie on x axis. Now where is 7? You have to move 7 units along x axis. Here is 7, so this is the point D 7 0. Clear? Because his y coordinate is 0. फिफ्थ पार्ट देखिए, -3 -5. Now x is negative and y coordinate also negative. Now x is -3, means you have to move -3 units. Now this is the -3. When x is -3, y is -5, means you have to move -5 units on the negative y axis. So where these lines meet, that is the point E. -3 -5. क्लियर? सिक्स पार्ट देखिए, सिक्स पार्ट इज 5 and -3. Now x coordinate is 5, means you have to move 5 unit on the positive direction of x axis. This is x is equal to 5. When x is 5, y is -3, means you have to move -3 unit on the y axis. No, this is -3. Where the lines meet, that is your point F, 5 or -3. क्लियर? रेस्ट पार्ट्स आप होमवर्क के लिए ट्राई करना. नाउ सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Question number 4 is plot each of the following points on the graph sheet and verify that they lie on a straight line. Second part देखिए, इसमें P point 11, Q point 22, R point is 33 and S point is 4 4. You have to plot these points and you have to check whether they lie on a straight line or not. Now see, first point क्या था आपके पास? Just wait. No. Now see, फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज 1 1, मीन्स एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट भी 1 है और वाई कोऑर्डिनेट भी 1 है. ये देखिए, एक्स 1, यू हैव टू मूव 1 यूनिट ऑन पॉजिटिव एक्स एक्सिस and 1 unit on positive y axis. So your point is this. This is the point P11. Now second is Q 2 2. ये देखिए, when x is 2, y भी आपका क्या 2, means this is the point, that is Q 2 2. इसके बाद देखिए, when x is 3, y भी आपका क्या 3, when x is 3, y भी 3 है, means this point. Clear? And S point is 4 4, means when x is 4, y भी आपका क्या 4, means this point. So This is a straight line. Clear? Now see third part. थर्ड पार्ट में आपको क्या गिवन है? पॉइंट्स आर L 6 2, M point is 5 3, N point is 3 5 and O point is 2 6. ये देखिए, इसी ग्राफ पेपर को यूज कर रहा हूं मैं. फर्स्ट इज 6 2. नाउ x coordinate is 6. X coordinate is 6 means this, and y is 2. Where these lines meet, that is your point L 6 2. Clear? इसके बाद second point is M 5 3. When x coordinate is 5, y coordinate is 3, means this point, that is M 5 or 3. Now third point is 3 5. When x coordinate is 3, means you have to move 3 unit on the positive x axis. When x is 3, y is 5, means your point is this, that is N 3 5. Okay, इसके बाद देखिए fourth point is O, that is 2 6. When x is 2, y is 6, means this point. Now these all points lie on a straight line. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करेंगे. सो होमवर्क के लिए क्वेश्चंस कौन से थे आपके? क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड, क्वेश्चन नंबर फोर्थ, रिमेनिंग पार्ट्स. ओके, थैंक यू क्लास.